Don't let him stop. Good job, Zachy. Keep her going, Soph. I know. Change your diagonal, Soph. Good job, Sophie girl. Keep her going. Hey, pay attention to you. Change your diagonal, Soph. Don't do that with your hands, Zachy. Kick them with your legs. Come on. Keep Sophie, mean business on the short sides. Change your diagonal, Soph. Good job, Sophie. Keep her going. Change your diagonal, Soph. Sophie, take a walk break.